Hey y'all, come on in, come on in. Welcome to the crib. I know this video is long away, but I'll be showing y'all my empty crib. Say hi to Lola. Say hi to Elise. Say hi to my dog. Y'all did get a dog. I did record a video of me getting her, but it's like coming to a little bit. So yes, this is Lola, the new addition to the family. Say hi, baby. So yeah, when you first walk in over here, you'll see the door, of course, and then we have a little shoe closet. I'm not gonna get into this because it's kind of messy right now. So yeah, just know it's a lot of shoes behind here. And then come on, follow me. And then right here, right after the closet, is my bathroom. You know, the theme, you know, it's just all blue. You know, I really like how it's like separated. We decided to go with, you know, like the mint blue theme. So yeah, I like how like somebody could be over there brushing their teeth, somebody using the toilet and like showering. You know, I like the whole divided area. Yeah, show them the toilet, everything. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. It's kind of small, but it's okay. And yeah, this door closes too over here, and then it's like a whole nother section over here. I like the hallway, and yeah. So now to the left on the other side, which is like, you know, the door's right here, and then this is the kitchen. I'm going to show you guys my kitchen. So this is my kitchen, all stainless steel appliances, of course. And y'all, your girl been traveling. I've been trying to like get, you know, a little magnet for every place I've been. I've been way more places than this. I just been forgetting. I got Chicago, Miami. I need to get Atlanta. I'm going to Houston next month and Cali. So those got to be added to the fridge. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just know I got my supplies, utensils up here. I got these from Amazon. These knives, I got to get a new one. They're all dull now. But those are from Walmart, Wally World. And yeah, this is just my kitchen, you know, it's nothing major, you know, I'll be trying to use it, you know, your girl been trying to cook a little bit, but I haven't really been cooking because I be so busy. But yeah, this is my kitchen. It's where the magic happens, you know, when I do make magic. So yeah, and then we're gonna come on over to the dining room, y'all. This is one of my most favorite places of the whole apartment. Don't mind this painting, it's kind of crooked, but there. But yeah, I got this painting from Home Goods. I love it because it just matches my dining room set perfectly. Like, just look at it. Like, y'all see what I did there? Y'all see what I did there? Period. So yeah, so we're gonna go on over. We're gonna come on over to my living room area, y'all. This is like my favorite. I like it. The dining room is my favorite. This is my favorite because like the vibes. So we're gonna start off. So starting off, coming into the living room, my desk that I have set up over here. This is my work area. You know, I do YouTube, my business, shipping orders. I just got this label printer. I'm so excited to use it. And yeah, it's like a little lamp that I got from IKEA. I do need to get some light bulbs. That's what we're gonna go do today. And yeah, I just got my swim machine, all type of stuff that I use, you know, just to make magic, you know. So it's like, and then this is the area that I set up. Like, this is kind of like just my little peaceful area. I really love it. I got this desk, well, this little table from Amazon, and then this was also from Home Goods. This candles were from Home Goods as well. That was from Amazon, and this is from Home Goods. Y'all, as y'all can tell, I love Home Goods. Don't mind this clock. This clock don't work. I just been too lazy to hang it up, so it's just been sitting right there. But it fits the aesthetic, you know. It fits it. Yeah. So yeah, that's that little desk. Now we're going over to this mirror. I love this mirror. I feel like everybody has this mirror. This mirror is from Kirkland's. I love it so much. It's so big and it's tall. Like, I can get my whole body. You know, your girl, you know, it's stallion season, and the whole stallion can fit in here, period. So then we're gonna go over here to my furry rug that I love so much, y'all. It is so soft. Like, get into it. Like, literally, it's so soft. I love it so much. Like, literally, stuff gets lost in here. That's how thick it is. Like, literally, it's so thick and soft. Yes, I love it. And I got this from, I believe it's like American Fright. It's like a local, just a local furniture store. So yeah, I got this table from Amazon. All these little pieces. They're kind of from everywhere. I just, you know, just pieced them all together. You know, I had a little razzle dazzle to the living room. But I did switch up the theme. You see, the theme I was going for my living room was like gold and green. And I really love it because it's really that picture is the theme of the whole living room. Like once I saw that picture, I'm like, yes, my living room needs to. And then everything just started coming together. And then we're gonna go over to the TV stand. As you can see, I just got my fireplace, you know, just playing on the TV. I got my candles, you know. Most of this stuff is from Home Goods. As y'all know, I love Home Goods. I got my diploma over there because your girl graduated. Call her Big Fish, period, period, period. And then, yeah. And then over here is like my doggy area. We're not gonna really get too much into there. That's just where, you know, Lola just sits and chill, you know, when she wants to, or she goes on timeout. And then this is my other couch, this is like the love seat, I think that's what they call it. But yeah, I love it. It's from, I don't know, it's from like a local furniture store as well. But yeah, I love this couch so much. And then I got my chandelier lamp. I love this. Like, this really puts the whole living room together. I got this from Amazon. Yes, this is from Amazon. I just searched up like chandelier lamp. And yeah, we'll come up. And then this is like my, just really storage kind of and printer, you know, because I really couldn't fit it over there, so I wanted to just put it over here. So I got my doggy storages in there, all type of, you know, just random stuff that I could go have no room to go. I don't know why Lola's hiding. She's under the couch right now. But yeah, this is my main couch that, you know, you could see the difference between this and this one. People done gone, everything, but yeah. So yeah. And then, so I kind of got the, yeah, I see the vibes I got going on with the gold and the green, and we continue that out throughout the living room, you know. And then it matches like the couch, the pillows is gold as well. I love this painting so much. I also got this painting from Home Goods, and the two things on the side are from Target. And then I added the little green plants from IKEA, and it just came out so beautifully. Like, I love it. All right, come on over. Now we're gonna come on over. We're kind of back where we're starting. You know, the entry door is over here. Hold on. The entry door is over here. That's where the kitchen, so it kind of like goes around in a circle. So we're back over here. So yeah, so now I'm gonna show y'all where the real magic happens. Y'all, let's get into it. So yeah, this is just a little overview of my room. This is like my most favorite part of this whole house. Like, I decided to like just go, like, all these paintings used to be like the posters used to be out there, but I moved them in here because I wanted out there to be just a little bit more mature, you know, on the mature side, classy. And then in here, this is where I could get all pink and playful. Yes, I love it. My bed is so soft, y'all. Wish I could feel it. But so yeah, we're gonna start off over here. I made this poster myself. If y'all want to see how I made it, just let me know. It's real easy, real simple. And then over here I have my jewelry wall where I hang up all my, you know, pretty little necklaces. I love it so much. It's very organized. They don't get tangled, anything. I believe I got these little hooks from AliExpress. I got them a while ago, and they come like with little stickers, so when you're done you could just peel them right off. And yeah, so over here is my closet. We're not gonna really get into that because it's a mess. But yeah, and then I have my little nightstand over here. I have my Apple Watch, phone, AirPod charger. I really love this. I got this off of Amazon. It is very convenient. I got everything, you know. This lamp is also from Amazon. This poster, another poster I made myself. It really fits with the theme. Like, I love all the pink posters, like the pink curtains, the pink bed. Like, I love it so much. And my bed frame over here, I got this from Ashley Furniture. I love it so much. I feel like this is like the basic bed. Like, literally everybody has this bed. And my rug that my dog loves so much, I got this from Marshall's, I believe. Say hi to the camera, Lola. Say hi. Yes, y'all, she loves this rug. That's where she be sleeping at, even though she got her own bed over here. And then I have my, you know, my little designer collection, my designer perfume collection over here going on. We got the Miss Dior, Chance by Chanel. I love this so much. These two are my favorite right now. The Chance and the Valentino are my favorite right now. But yeah, we got that going on. And then I got my TV. This is a 42-inch TV. I just got it on top of my dresser. I was thinking about hanging it up, but I feel like that's kind of doing too much. Because, yeah, we just, you know, yeah. So I got my candle over here. It's Homebody. It smells like, this is my whole life in a candle. It's called Homebody. I got this from Home Goods. And yes, I love it so much. I got my little clock. This is from Walmart. Just a basic little clock, you know. And then over here we have my mirror that I love so much. It is so big. I got this from IKEA. Like, I feel like everybody has this mirror. It needs to be kind of wiped down, but we're not gonna get into that. But yeah, I love this mirror so much because like the mirror pictures be popping, like the whole background, the aesthetic of the whole room, like you could just see it. It is so cute. The only thing I don't like is the lighting is not really good over here, so I'll be having to use my ring light and stuff. But yeah, it's really cute though. I love this mirror. Over here is my really huge window. I love it. This is where I get most of the lighting in my room from. And I got these curtains from IKEA along with the curtain rod. I had these little lights set up, but they just died. So I just left them up there. And then we're gonna come over here. This is where Lola sleeps, you know, when she wants to at least. She got her little toys and her pillow over there. That's her side, you know, that's her little bed area. I got my other nightstand and yeah, my bonnet. You just be chilling over there so I can put it on real quick. You know, Velux, of course. Yes, the Velux bonnet. Gotta get into that. And yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna give y'all another little overview of the room. This is my palace, y'all. I just love being here. It's so peaceful. It's pink. It's pretty. Like the PPP. That's what it is. Yes. And yeah. So yeah, we made it back to the front. I mean, to the, you know, where we started. We're back to where we started. That's pretty much it. This is my first apartment, y'all. I had so much fun decorating and just making it all me, like making it pretty. I feel like I take so much pride in my apartment, like in my house, like making it a home. Like I love being here. Like I'd be quick to leave from wherever I'm at. Like, you know, I gotta go home. I gotta see my dog. Like I just love being here so much. So yeah, if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. I'm sorry it took so long to record this video. But yeah, thanks for watching.